Selamat sejahtera, Madam. Nama saya Nivendan Laki Ramasamy. Tajuk kita hari ini adalah The Growth of Islamic Finance in Different Country. Nama-nama group member saya adalah Muhammad Ajmal, Nivendan iaitu saya, Munir Musawir dan Muhammad Izwan Adam. Okay, introduction kita hari ini adalah Sharia-based Islamic banking encourage moral interest free and risk-sharing financial. The Philippines Amanah Islamic Bank provides services to Muslim population in Mindanao, while Indonesia's Bank Sharia Indonesia (BSI), established in 2021, promotes the growth of Islamic finance in Indonesia. This case demonstrates the flexibility and worldwide applicability of Islamic finance. Okay, the evolution of Islamic banking and finance for that country. Muslim country. Bank Sharia Indonesia iaitu BSI daripada Indonesia. The first Sharia compliant bank was established in Indonesia in the early 1990s, marking the beginning of Islamic banking, which was reinforced by Law Number 21 of 2008. The industry leader today is Bank Sharia Indonesia (BSI), which provide digital and financial service that adhere to Sharia. Okay, the non-Muslim countries. Al-Amanah Islamic Bank from Philippines. The first Sharia compliant bank in the Philippines, Amanah Islamic Bank, was founded in 1973 to provide services to the Muslim population in the Mindanao. Al-Amanah Islamic Investment Bank was rechartered in 1990s, and in 2008 it grew its Islamic finance services under the Development Bank of Philippines.
Thank you, Nevan. Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Izwan Adam bin Ridwan. During number metric 4233001541, I will present the establishment of Islamic finance institution, show distinct path globally. In Indonesia, a Muslim majority country, the government created Bank Sharia Indonesia (BSI) in 2021 through a strategic merger of three state-owned Islamic banks. This move aimed to form a single large entity to compete with conventional bank and gain international presence. In contrast, the Philippines, a non-majority country, has the much older Amanah Islamic Bank. While founded in 1973, it wasn't formally rechartered to operate explicitly under Sharia principle until 1990 by Republic Act Number 6848, solidifying its unique position as the nation's first and only full-fledged Islamic bank. And next slide is reason for the establishment. First, consolidation for scale. The merger of three state banks created a larger, more competitive entity to boost the lagging Sharia bank sector. Second, global Islamic finance player. It aimed to leverage Indonesian Muslim population to create a top 10 global Islamic bank, which it has now achieved. And the third, driven financial inclusion. BSI was designed to increase Sharia financial literacy and inclusion, which was significantly lower than conventional bank. Fourth, catalyst for the halal economy. A key goal is to be the financial engine for the Indonesia ambition to become a global hub for the halal industry. And next is Amanah Islamic Bank, Philippines, first regional development mandate. It was created by CRI to provide crucial credit and stimulate economic activity in neglected Muslim majority regions. And second, internationalizing Sharia finance. It provides a rigorously compliant alternative to conventional interest-based banking for the Muslim community. And the third, accelerate growth in PRMM. The bank commission is to act catalyst for socio-economic development within the Bangsamoro region. And last, poverty elevation via inclusion. It addresses high poverty rates by offering accessible Sharia-compliant financial products to marginalized communities. Next, I will give to Ajmal.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad bin Abdul Rajab. Today I'm going to talk about how the obstacle they face. First, we start from Bank Syariah Indonesia (BSI). obstacle they face is low awareness. Many Indonesians misunderstood Islamic banking or saw it as only for religious Muslim. And then secondly, the regulatory issue. This because lack of trained Sharia expert and inconsistent rules. Interpretation reduce trust. Thirdly, a fragmented industry. Multiple small Islamic banks struggle to compete with larger conventional ones. And lastly, low market share. Islamic bank held under 10% of total asset despite Indonesia is large Muslim population. Okay, now let's see to Amanah Islamic Bank from Philippines. First, also the same, they are low awareness. Most Filipino, especially non-Muslim, don't understand of see the benefit of Islamic banking. Second, weak regulation. Absence of proper Islamic banking law force Amanah to follow conventional rules. And thirdly, political instability. Conflict in Mindanao hindered growth and investor confidence. And lastly is small Muslim market. Only 6 to 7% of the population is Muslim, limiting customer reach. Second slide, we're going to explain about how they overcame the obstacle. So Bank Syariah Indonesia (BSI), their government support new regulation, tax incentive and national roadmap boost growth. And secondly, public education campaign promoted Islam banking as ethical and transparent. And thirdly, digital transformation, mobile apps and fitness partnership attract young customer. And lastly, in 2021, they merged. Three banks united to form BSI, strengthening capital and national worldwide reach. And now we move to Amanah Islamic Bank in Philippines. Firstly, they do a training program which Malaysia and Indonesia develop a local Sharia and banking expert. Secondly, they have a new law, RA 11439, establish a clear legal framework for Islamic banking. And thirdly, restructuring, modernize operation and expand survey beyond Mindanao. And lastly is regional stability. BARMM creation, improve peace and investor confidence. That's all from me. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajmal. Now I will present the situation of the two Islamic banks for Muslim country and non-Muslim country. For the Muslim country, we have Bank Syariah Indonesia. This bank was formed through the merger of three Islamic banks, BRI Syariah, BNI Syariah, and Bank Syariah Mandiri in 2021. BSI has total asset of about 205.72 trillion rupiah, making it the sixth largest bank in Indonesia. It shows strong growth after the merger and has a BBB stable rating by Fitch. However, BSI still faces challenges such as credit risk, integration issues, and high competition from conventional banks. For the non-Muslim country, we have Al-Amanah Islamic Bank from the Philippines. It's the only full-fledged Islamic bank in the country and operates within a conventional banking environment. The bank faces several limitations such as a weak capital base, limited branches, and dependence on government liquidity. Besides that, the Islamic banking acts still developing and Sharia governance is quite weak. So these are the main situations both banks are currently facing. Moving on to future movement of Islamic banking and finance. For Bank Syariah Indonesia, the focus is on expanding its asset base and promoting financial inclusion, especially for SME, cooperative, and rural financing. The bank also plans to diversify into more Islamic financial products such as sukuk, takaful, and bullion banking. Another big step is digital transformation, with almost 98% of transactions now digital, and the bank is exploring blockchain and smart contract to improve efficiency. Meanwhile, Al-Amanah Islamic Bank is focusing on expanding its branches, especially in the BARMM region, to reach more Muslim communities. It also supports socio-economic programs like a 7.5 million perak renting project for farmers with the Peng Samoro government. Lastly, the Philippine government is exploring sukuk insurance, which could open new opportunity for Alam Amanah to grow in the future. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Mone. And for last present, in conclusion, Indonesia BSI show a large-scale strategic approach to Islamic finance, while the Philippine Amanah Bank demonstrates its power as targeted tools for development and inclusion. Together, they prove the model global relevance and adaptability. That's all for me. Thank you.